Maninikit. Back to school backpack. Pang lalaki, oh. This is for men. Back to school. Hindi mahawakan ng kamay ko, eh. Ganda. School. Kipling. Oy, ganda. Gusto ko to, kipling. Marami akong kipling sa bahay. Ito pang back to school, maganda to. Daming space, oh. 1. Tapos 2. Ganda, oh, dalawa. 1, 2, zipper. Kipling siya, oh. Kipling. Magandang klase. Pang school, pang ano, back to school. $60 plus tax. Maganda ang produkto ng ano, eh. Ganda, oh. TJ Maxx. Ito naman. Tommy Hilfiger backpack. Cloth siya, o cloth. Hindi siya masyadong ano, space. Wala siyang masyadong lugar para sa mga storage. It's $29.99. No, very basic siya. Ito, oh. Modern Girl. Oy, may extension. Ay, ang ganda. Ipang biyahe ito. Oh, meron pa siya. May lunchbox. $34. Pang bata. This is for the kids. 13 pockets. Oh. 13 pockets. Wow. That's a good pockets there. It's a magnet. Another one. This is good for laptop. Good for laptop. Another pocket. Wow, dami. Daming pocket. Only for $39.99. This is good for young kids. Very nice. My color. Oh, ang lalim, oh. Tapos may pangsara pa siya. Pwede mong isara. Pang closing yan. Tapos, ito, may zipper dito. May zipper pa dito. Adidas! Ay, gusto ko to. I like this. Very simple. For daily. You know, panggala. You know. Oh, my golly. It used to be $55. It used to be $55. On sale. For $29. 55 before. Now is $30. That is a huge discounted product. I like it. It's mine. Adidas pa siya. Another one. Backpack. Wow. That's Cynthia Rowley brand. Hindi naman masyado siyang spacious. This is $29. Mayroon siyang side pocket. Mayroon siya dito. And another one. Nice. Again, this is for $29. Yahoo! Simple one with gorilla. Ganda. Kipling, oh, Kipling uli. Maganda tong klase. Simple lang siya. Maliit. Oh, pang mga kinder. Pang kinder siya. Eh, durable siya eh. Durable na na brand. Very, very good. Very good. I own a lot of this. So, if you have a teenager, like 14, 13 years old, this is a perfect gift with an initial, right? Initial L. S. It's only for $14. Got a lot of options. You know, if you have kids, teenager, this is a perfect gift. Oh, wow. Back to school. Sa mga bata. Ganda, no? Simpleng klaseng tao lang kasi ako. Oh, ang ganda pang cellphone. Cellphone, credit card. This is perfect for ayun o, pang harabas pa. Yung mga panlakad-lakad. Ay, ang ganda. Baka ito bang gustuhan ko, bilhin ko. Oy, $29.99. It's a mine. That's a mine. Steve Madden. Mga simple lang naman kasi, alam mo, simple lang akong tao. Pag gumala ako at magandang magamit, alam mo, mahuhold up ka pa, danger sa buhay. Ito naman, suede. Oh, may pagka-suede siya, oh. Guess. Suede. Spacious din siya, pero hindi ito yung mga tipong bibilin ko. Wala siya masyadong space. Magkano naman to? $39.99 kumpara doon sa blue. Dito na ako sa blue. Diyan na ako. Ito, type ko to. Oh, this is my pants. This is the kind of pants I want. On sale siya. $29.99. 20 na lang. Nakakaganda, oh. Slack siya, slack. So, kursunada ko doon sa extra bathroom ko sa base, ano ba yun? Sa first floor. Ganda. Pang bisita na bathroom ba? Pang display lang. Tapos di pump pa. Ganda ito. Magkano ba to? Oh, $7.99. Maganda to doon sa ano ko. Sa first bathroom ko sa baba. White apple gardenia, apple blossom. Good lotion. Good for the, you know, restroom. See that? On sale. On sale. That's what I look for. So if this is your size, it's good for you. If not, then keep looking. That's how you spend money. Look for clearance. Hawakan mo nga at kukunan ko lang ng video. Di ba maganda siya? Oh, ang ganda pati ng pagkakoton. Ganda ng fabrics niya. $29.99. Ayan, mga tipo kong ganyan, simple. Kaya lang, hindi ko size. Small. Extra small. Sayang, no? Ganda, oh. $39, $40. So, hindi siya on sale. Ang ganda sanang skirt. Pang summer. Di mo nakita? I don't think they have a case over here. So pretty. Ganda. What size is this? It's $19.99. A medium. Kasya siguro sa akin to. Naku, mabili nga. Kakaloka. Lagi na lang sa shopping. Di ba maganda? Anong brand niya? Modern Works. This. Simple fashion. If you know how to put this together, oh, you look awesome. Nice. 5'1", 5'1". Size 12. Size 12 ay malaki sa akin. Ang ganda sana, oh, on sale. This would look on me with a belt already. It's very nice with the belt. I like this one. $14. Very good. Yan. Ganda, oh. Sales dito sa TJ Maxx. Tingnan natin kung magkano yan, ha?
Wrangler, $29. That's not much. It's not bad.
Wow, that's not bad. It's very good.